So look, it can't just only be chicken. We need some sides. We stopped at an awesome farmer's market earlier today. Eggplant and zucchini are obviously very simple to grill. These are portobellos, and I like them on the grill because they're a lot easier than the smaller button mushrooms. They're bigger, but I do like to scrape these out. What's nice about broccoli, if you cut it in big pieces, all these nooks and crannies, they take the smoke and they hold it, so it gets really smoky.
To try it that way.
Yeah, you have to cook it slowly. I mean, it's not a very moist vegetable compared to these that are full of water,
right.
So they like the dry grill. So you have to cook them a little bit slower. This is a mortar and pestle. It's one of my favorite tools in the kitchen. We're gonna make a very simple salsa verde, and it's just some fresh parsley from your garden, some garlic, some capers, and we're just gonna pulverize it to a paste with some good sea salt and pepper and olive oil. And it's a great fresh green sauce. And I also want to make something very simple, which is like an Italian dressing with some dried herbs, oil, vinegar, some raw garlic that we're gonna kind of grate on this and then shake it all up, and you just have a garlicky, herbaceous vinaigrette. It's great in the winter because dried herbs and dried pasta and dried peppers, they all have a place in the kitchen, I think.
Right. I guess you could say that they work in a pinch.
Ah, dad jokes. I told you not to do that.
I failed you again.
All right, so do you want to start with these?
Yep, got it.
It's meaty. You know, it's not mushy, it's meaty. Right?
That's the best eggplant I've ever had. Really.